In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the dripping water from your air condition for your plants. It requires a bit efforts, but it's very beneficial for them. It is chemical free, pure and free of cost. First, I collect the drainage water in a tub, then I pour this water into a bucket. If you have a neem tree, you can add its leaves to the water because they act as a natural pesticide. You can use this water for both your indoor and outdoor plants, and it's especially good for vegetable plants. I have been using this I have been using this method for years and I hope you will see great results with your plants too. Thank you for your time. Love you all. clean and fresh it looks.